Tout est donc con. Ça me donne drop. Ça me donne con. Ça.
It's embarrassing. You want to kill everybody? Please kill everybody. No, you
sorry, I'm not. No. This is the minister here, please.
Right, the minister here.
Who are you? Who are you? I'm not going to talk to you. Come on, there has for me. Who are you?
Don't care what
Drop your phone first. I want to drop phone first. Kumbi, you want to drop phone first now.
What I'm saying here, I'm formal. It's order. It's not a government order. There's no formal. Okay, okay, can I just say?
So let me request.
For what?
So no video call each other now. No be serious the call and the call and talk.
Is it blocking? No. It's okay, it's okay. You know why? Because when was this intimidation? But the point I'm making is that we can't continue to act like this in this country. If the VAT admin has a problem, he should quit the office. It's not depending on the voice admin. Send soldiers to go to the office. What about those who don't have the soldiers? Everyone, we are all citizens. What I want to do, if anybody can make it, your opportunity to do that. For those who are ignorant, you cannot continue to work in leadership. You are not the one to say you have documents. You are not the one. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So what? You're harder who than me. No, that you think you have okay. You can never develop this property. I will not allow it. You have not, if you want to kill everybody, kill everybody. You cannot. You put yourself in trouble.
My friend, you see the minister.
We know the minister. We know your minister. We know the minister.
You can even
We know the minister. We know. Tell us.
If you want to open mouth, you go swallow anything. Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Mr. Man, stop threatening anybody here.
Respect yourself.
Please.
Hello, sir. Morning, sir. I'm fine, thank you, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Afternoon, sir. I'm Navy Lieutenant Yerima, sir. Security Officer to Bright Side Police Time. Yes, sir. So I'm here on the orders. Yes, I'm here on the orders of the animal. Sir, we mobilized the site a couple of days ago, and then the engineer kept telling us that policemen are coming to embarrass them and harass them, and they've been coming to threaten them that they don't need to strike them, to arrest them and all. And then he brought it to our attention. So as the security officer to the vice admiral, I was called, and then we acted. Sir, we are not doing anything illegal. We are here on the orders of the vice admiral. That's it. Ours is just to call and prevent.
Stop this here. Stop this.